Hi guys, Grace here. Thanks for stopping by. I'm heading out for my walk today, and I'm heading to the tunnel trail, which will take me down to the bay. Now, as I'm walking along, the clouds are absolutely amazing, and so that made me think of the time that I was told that I had my head in the clouds. Well, that wasn't said in a very positive way, and I didn't take it that way back then, but now I do. I think of my head in the clouds as being somebody that's a little more optimistic than I used to be, someone that looks at the positive rather than the negative and makes the best of what you've got. So join me on my walk today. I'll do probably a little mix of stills and videos, and if it gets too loud, I'll have to throw in a little music as well. So thanks again for stopping by. Well, that afternoon went south in a hurry. My big fluffy clouds turned into thunderstorm clouds. So I made it back to the tunnel. See that behind me. And I'm stuck here for a little while till the rain lets up. Now it is thundering, which means there's lightning, and I'm in a big metal tube. So maybe I will just dodge the rain and head back. While I was standing here, I did take a few pictures. Why not make the most of where I am, right? So enjoy those a little bit later. Bye-bye.